Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to add background blur to any clip using CapCut. So I've got a clip here that I want to do that in, and I have a foreground and a background. I want everything in the foreground to be in focus while the background is blurred. So the first step in doing that is holding Alt and dragging the clip one layer up. This creates a duplicate overlay. And now in this layer, making sure it's highlighted, I'm going to click on Remove PG. Then we're going to click on the custom removal box and select the brush tool. And now I'm going to slowly and patiently brush everything that I want in focus blue, holding my mouse and slowly moving around the image. Don't worry if you make a few mistakes or imperfections here and there. The software usually does a pretty good job of rounding it out, and we can always edit it again later. I jerked my arms so hard, except for that one jerky movement. That was the coffee, that wasn't me. Also gonna now select the eraser tool. Good time to showcase that. Now I'm going to brush the errors that I made. It's pretty good. Maybe zoom in a little, just holding control and using my mouse wheel to zoom in and then pressing my mouse wheel down to drag around. So I'd say overall that's pretty clean. Yep. You can also adjust the size of the brush if we really wanted to. So now what's going to happen is it's going to start processing all the pixel data, and it's going to remove everything that isn't highlighted in blue. Oh, I seem to have left a few spots. Just get rid of those real quick. So depending on the type of footage you have, this might take anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes. But as long as we're patient, this should turn out all right. Okay, now that that's done, all that's left is to click on the apply button. And if we want to check how well it did, all we have to do is hide the first track and press play. There we go. So it's removed everything that wasn't highlighted in blue, and I'd say it does a pretty good job of consistently tracking. So now let's bring that background back in. And the last step is to go onto the effects tab, go to video effects, type in blur in the search bar, and then just drag and drop the blur effect of your choice onto the background, which is the first track. Play the video, and there's our finished product. We have successfully blurred the background while keeping the foreground in focus. There's still a small amount of imperfections here and there, but that's nothing a few brush strokes can't fix. So I hope I was able to help, and I hope you were able to learn something new. Thanks for watching.